Okay, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna do Dinosaur and Teddy, okay? Which one do you want to draw first? Let's do Dinosaur first. Dinosaurs.
I like Teddy. I have a bear.
Okay. So Dinosaur, we're gonna draw his body first, okay? Start from his head over here on the right. There we go. So we do a curve like this. We do a curve. Okay. And then that's gonna come down. And you're gonna go like this. Can you do that a little bit longer? Oh, okay. And then we're gonna do his mouth. This curve in like this. And then we're just gonna draw a bubble body like a snake. Okay. So now we're gonna draw all the sharp things. We're gonna do the spikes on his back, little triangles.
I know I can do that.
Okay. They're all about the same size, okay? We're gonna stop on the top of his head. And then we're gonna draw his teeth. 1, 2, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna draw his eyes. So his eyes are gonna be back here. 2 dots in the middle. And then we're gonna do his arms. So skinny arm, 3 fingers. Skinny arm, 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, skinny leg over here. Skinny leg, 3 toes. Okay. Skinny leg, 3 toes. That's it. That's Dinosaur. Now we're gonna do Teddy. Okay. So Teddy looks like a steak. So we're gonna do a curve like this. Okay. Then we're gonna come down to make the oval. So what you want to do is connect this. Okay, I'm gonna help you with yours. Let me show you first, okay? Curve up and then connect. Very good. Now we're gonna draw, her eyes are over here. One over here and then one over here. And then she has a nose. All right, and then smile is down here. Okay, and then her body is round like this.
It's kind of like George.
And for her arm, there's no fingers, okay? Just oval. Very good. And her foot is the oval but curved. Okay, you see how it's curved like a sausage? Same thing on the other side. It's a curve to the right, okay? This one is over here, curves up. And we're gonna add the ears, okay? So we got 1 ear between the eyes. And then we got 1 ear behind this eye, okay, on the left side. Okay, and we're gonna add the eyeball there. Alright, that's our Teddy.
Let's name the Dinosaur and Teddy. I've named this one Mr. Dinosaur.
Mr. Dinosaur, okay.
I'm gonna name this Mrs. Teddy.
Mrs. Teddy, okay, alright, now we're gonna color, okay?